Welcome to this tutorial on the rex command in Splunk. The rex command is one of the most powerful tools for extracting structured information from unstructured data. It uses regular expressions to parse raw log data and create new searchable fields that you can use in your Splunk searches and reports. The rex command is a Splunk command that extracts fields from raw data using regular expressions. Its primary purpose is to parse unstructured log data and create new searchable fields. Think of it as a way to turn messy, hard-to-read log entries into organized, searchable data points that you can filter, group, and analyze. The basic syntax of the rex command is straightforward. You start with the keyword rex followed by your regular expression pattern enclosed in double quotes. The key feature is using named groups in your regex pattern. Named groups are created using the syntax question mark followed by angle brackets containing your field name, then your pattern. This tells Splunk to create a new field with the extracted value. Here's a simple example of extracting an IP address from log data. The rex command uses a pattern that matches 4 groups of digits separated by periods. The named group IP_address tells Splunk to create a new field called IP_address. Once this command runs, you'll have a new searchable field containing all the IP addresses found in your data. The rex command becomes even more powerful when extracting multiple fields at once. In this example, we're parsing a web server log to extract the HTTP method, URL, and status code simultaneously. Each named group creates a separate field. Method captures the HTTP verb, URL captures the requested path, and status captures the response code. This single command transforms one line of raw log data into 3 organized, searchable fields. The rex command includes several useful options to control its behavior. The field parameter lets you specify which field to apply the regex to, instead of the default _raw field. This is helpful when you want to extract data from fields that have already been processed. The max_match parameter limits how many matches the regex will find per event, which can improve performance when you only need a specific number of results. Let's look at a real-world example using Apache access logs. This log entry contains client IP, timestamp, HTTP request, status code, and response size. Our rex command uses a comprehensive pattern to extract 5 different fields in one operation. Client_IP for the source address, timestamp for when the request occurred, request for the HTTP method and path, status for the response code, and bytes for the response size. This transforms a single complex log line into 5 searchable fields. When using the rex command, follow these best practices for optimal results. Be specific with your regex patterns to avoid false matches that could create incorrect field values. Test the performance impact of complex regular expressions, as they can slow down your searches significantly. Remember to use the rex command early in your search pipeline for better performance, since field extraction is more efficient when done before other processing steps. These practices will help you get accurate results while maintaining good search performance. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.